Now we are discussing sum of the n terms in AP. What are the terms in AP? Generally, what are the terms we are taking in AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D. These are the terms in AP. Now we have to find the sum of the n terms, means you have to add these all terms. Add it, that all terms, you have to find out the sum, its sum. Now we need to derive a specific formula. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎన్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే ఇలా సమ్ అంతా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే పోతే అయిపోతుంది కదా సార్ అంటే అది జనరల్ ఫామ్లో లేదు కాబట్టి మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిరైవ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎన్ టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ ఏపీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ బెస్ట్ అప్రోచ్. వీ హ్యావ్ నోన్ వన్ రూల్ బిఫోర్ వీ డిస్కస్డ్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్? Definitely some constant value will get when we add first term and from the end first term, second term and from the end second term, third term and from the end third term. So that's why you have to go through like that. Again Sn I am writing in a descending order. Last term you take it, what is it? A plus n minus 1 into D plus, here you take it, A plus n minus 2 into D plus, see this is the second term, this is the first term, second term, third term A plus n minus 3 into D, this is the third term, plus 1 plus last term is A. So if suppose this is an ascending order, then definitely this is a descending order. Now add both. It is the first term, it is the last term. Its sum definitely will get constant. That constant value also we found. What is that? That constant k value 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn plus Sn 2Sn, a plus a 2a. Here you will get 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Plus from these two also you will get a constant only now. What is it? 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And from these two also you get it 2a plus n minus 1 into D plus so on. Here also last term also you get it 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here Sn plus Sn 2Sn no. Now like the 2a plus n minus 1 into D, how many terms are there? Yes, these are the n terms, because see first term, second term, third term up to n terms. So n terms these, so that's why n of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now this we can express like that, into 2 transpose right side, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is your formula for sum of the n terms in AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Just I am expressing this formula like this. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into D. Here a is nothing but a first term and this is the general term, nth term, last term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D when n is last. So that's why this is denoted by L. So one more formula you got it, that is Sn is equal to sum of the n terms is equal to number of terms by 2 into first term plus last term. This is n is nothing but a number of terms by 2 into a is nothing but a first term, L is nothing but a last term. So we got two formulae. One is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D and another one is n by 2 into a plus L. This is sum of the n terms formula. This is also sum of the n terms formula. So you get a CDF points, general form of a nth term in AP, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, and second formula is from end Tr equal to a plus n minus r into D. And third one is sum of the n terms in AP is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D and n by 2 of a plus L. Which one is the convenient formula in both? That is based on problem. For some problems it is the better formula, for some problems this is the better formula. So that's why both you have to remind. Observe the problem. These are the terms are in AP. There are 32 terms are there in AP and sum of the sum terms is equal to 100. Then find the sum of first 32 terms. Sum of the 32 terms you have to find out it. So among these all terms, this is the first term T1 plus this is the last term 32. So T1 plus T32 value is definitely, it is the third term from beginning, this is the third term from ending. Both sum also constant k only will get. And T7, it is the seventh term from beginning. And what is the, yes, very good, seventh term from end is T26, that also k. And 16th term from end, it is nothing but a 17. So T16 plus T17 is equal to k. So its sum, add these all, k plus k plus k plus k. Yes, k plus k plus k plus k, you get it 4k. 4k equal to 100. Your k value is 100 by 4, 25. So constant k value got it 25. We have to get S32, sum of the 32 terms. Sum of the 32 terms formula is n by 2 a plus L. Second formula is better formula to use it. N is nothing but a 32 terms, 32 by 2. First and last sum k, no? K value got it 25. Now 2 1s are 2 16s are 16, 25s are 400. So sum of the first 32 terms is equal to 400. So one more point we will discuss now. Okay, sum of the n terms in AP, Sn is equal to your formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula for sum of the n terms in AP. Now observe here, one expression I get from this, multiply with n by 2, you will get it Na plus n by 2 of n minus 1 into D. Multiply now, Na plus n into n square into D, n square D by 2 minus n into 1 n, D into 1 D, nd by 2. Now observe here, this is n square into D by 2 plus, in both you take a n common, a minus D by 2 into n. So Sn I expressed as n square of D by 2 plus a minus D by 2. D by 2, is it constant or variable? It is a constant because in a sequence a is constant because it is first term and D also constant because that is the common difference. So that a D by 2 represented by a, it is in the form of a n square plus a minus D by 2 also constant because a is constant, D is constant and their subtraction division also constant. So that I am taking as a B. Now my Sn is in the form of a n square plus bn. Sn is equal to a n square plus bn. So sum of the n terms is expressed as a quadratic polynomial. Suppose sum of the n terms of the sequence is a quadratic polynomial of this type, then that is a arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Sometimes they are giving only expression. Observe that expression. That expression is in the type of quadratic polynomial like this or not, you observe. If that is a quadratic polynomial like this, definitely that sequence is a arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression. Okay. So that is one point. What is it? General term is in linear expression. Means terms in the sequence is in the form of linear expression, then it is a arithmetic sequence. Sum of the terms in a sequence is a quadratic expression. Definitely that sequence also is in AP. That quadratic polynomial also must be in the form n square and nth term. And if constant is there, then that need not be a AP. ఓకేనా, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్ అన్నారు కదా సార్, ఏఎన్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎన్ ప్లస్ సి కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ అర్థమెటిక్ సీక్వెన్స్. అర్థమెటిక్ సీక్వెన్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, అవ్వకపోవచ్చు.